What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am finishing the last of my IPSY Glam Bag ketchup. This is the Crimson Crush from December 2024. I know, almost a year ago. This is actually the last video that I have of my ketchup, so I'm very much looking forward to filming like brand new content. And this bag is this beautiful woven red faux leather. So let's see what's inside. First is the Tarte Cherry Shape Tape Blusher. Ooh, I'm like really excited to try this. It is this gorgeous pink red color. I already do have like a full face of makeup on, but let's just see. Ooh! It is like a very dark cherry red. I'm either gonna absolutely ruin the makeup I have on, or no, it's just gonna add to it. That is absolutely gorgeous. I literally love that color. I'm so excited to work that into my daily routine. Love that. Okay, next we have two of the I'm So Pretty. What is this? Oh, it's a shadow stick. So these are two I'm So Pretty. Ooh, God. These are gorgeous. One's like a copper and one is more like a bronze. These are so creamy. The packaging is actually really cute. Can you see that? And look at how they blend out. These are literally such a win. Wow, very excited about that. Next is the Tula Skincare Radiant Skin Brightening Serum. Ooh, I actually think that's gonna be a really good color match for me. It's like a very hydrating serum. Okay, next we have the Pureless Sheer Glow Strawberry Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer. That's kind of cool. They gave you like two tinted moisturizers in this. Well, I guess one's a serum, but oops, that one's a little bit more watery than the Tula, also a little bit more tan. I love a skin tint for the day-to-day. And honestly, these eyeshadows, I have been wiping them. They're not budging, so that's a win. Lastly, we have some brushes. These are the J Beauty Complex Beauty Brush Set. They are this beautiful powder pink color. And honestly, I'm not sure if these are synthetic or real. They feel synthetic, but they look like real hair. Just a beautiful complexion brush set. So very excited about that. That is what was in the Crimson Crush from December 2024 Mystery Glam Bag. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Since I'm done filming my IPSY ketchup, let me know what type of new content you want to see, whether it's like day in the life vlogs or fitness vlogs. Leave me a comment, and thank you so much for watching.